Is everything all right? Am I worried? And today, therefore, my focus singularly will be on role of the citizen, role of the youth. Let me take incidents that are most recent. They are dominating our minds. An event happened on the night of 14th and 15th of March in New Delhi at the residence of a judge. For 7 days, no one knew about it. We have to ask questions to ourselves. Is the delay explainable? Condonable? Does it not raise certain fundamental questions? In any ordinary situation, and ordinary situations define rule of law, things would have been different. It was only on 21st March, disclosure by a newspaper, that people of the country were shocked as never before. They were in some kind of limbo, deeply concerned and worried at this explosive, alarming expose. Thereafter, fortunately, in public domain, we had input from authoritative source, the Supreme Court of India. And the input indicated culpability. Input did not lead to doubt that something was amiss, something required to be investigated. Now the nation waits with bated breath. The nation is restive because one of our institutions, to which people have looked up always with highest respect and deference, was put in the dock. It is now over a month. Even if it is kind of wounds, even if there are skeletons in the cupboard, time to blow up the can, time for its lid to go out, and time for the cupboard to collapse. Let the worms and skeletons be in public domain. Boys and girls, no investigation under law is in progress at the moment. Because for a criminal investigation, the initiation has to be by an FIR, First Information Report. It is not there. It is law of the land that every cognizable offence is required to be reported to the police. And failure to do so, failure to report a cognizable offence is a crime. Therefore, you all will be wondering why there has been no FIR. The answer is simple. An FIR in this country can be registered against anyone, any constitutional functionary, including the one before you. One has only to activate the rule of law. No permission is required. But if it is judges, their category, FIR cannot be straightway registered. It has to be approved by the concern in judiciary. But that is not given in the Constitution. Constitution of India has accorded immunity from prosecution only to the Honorable President and the Honorable Governors. So how come a category beyond law has secured this immunity? Because the ill effects of this are being felt in the mind of one and all. Every Indian, young and old, is deeply concerned if the event had taken place at his house. The speed would have been electronic, rocket. Now it is not even a cattle cart. A question we must think. There is a committee of 3 judges investigating the matter. But investigation is domain of the executive. Investigation is not the domain of judiciary. Is the committee under Constitution of India? No. Is this committee of 3 judges having any sanction under any law emanating from Parliament? No. And what can the committee do? Committee can at the most make a recommendation. Recommendation to whom? And for what? The kind of mechanism we have for judges, the only action finally that can be taken is by the Parliament when proceedings of removal are initiated. So a month has passed, more than that, and investigation requires speed, expedition, preservation of incriminating material. As a citizen of the country and holding position which I do, I am concerned. Are we not diluting rule of law? Are we not answerable to we the people who gave us the Constitution? And therefore, I would strongly urge everyone concerned to examine this as a test case. What legitimacy and jurisdictional authority does this committee possess? Can we have separate law made by a category and the law made by that category? Dehorse Constitution, dehorse Parliament. The committee report, according to me, inherently lacks legal standing. तो क्या हम ऐसे हालात में आ गए कि समय के साथ ये बात चली जाएगी? लोगों के दिल पर इस घटना से गहरी चोट लगी है। लोगों का विश्वास डगमगा गया है। There was a survey conducted recently, and the survey indicated, it was by a media house, that public confidence in the institution of judiciary is dwindling. This is in March. Am I right? Still we are groping in dark. The tunnel is getting longer and longer, and light is not visible as to what will happen. Normal human tendency to forget an event because other events overtake us. This is not one such incident. I beseech everyone concerned to be highly alert, proactive, and restore.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.